Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into something that is, frankly, a homeowner's worst nightmare: losing your fire insurance when you need it most. And it's not a hypothetical, it's happening right here, right now. So let me just ask you this straight up. Could you lose your homeowner's insurance over a single missed payment? You'd think after years of loyalty, the answer would be no. But for a lot of people, the answer is a terrifying yes.
And this isn't just a what-if scenario. Take a look at this note. This is from a veteran, a homeowner, right here in Tuscany Hills since 2002. This just happened to him.
After just one missed payment, his insurance company, a major one you see ads for all the time, just cut him loose. No second chance. Their reason? The increased wildfire risk here in California. So just like that, he was suddenly completely uninsured against fire. The only thing he could do was turn to the state's last resort insurance plan. And believe me, his story is not an isolated incident. It's a wake-up call for our entire community. So you might be thinking, that's awful for him, but how does that affect me? Well, that's where this becomes a problem for the whole neighborhood. I love this analogy because it's so true. Think about it. Fire prevention is a lot like fighting mosquitoes. You can do everything right, clear all the standing water in your yard, but if your neighbor's yard has puddles everywhere, guess what? You're still going to get bit. Fire safety is exactly the same. One person can't do it alone. And let's be really clear about this. This has zero to do with politics. This isn't a red or blue issue. It's a civic activity. It's about neighbors working together to protect their homes, their families, and to make sure we can all get affordable insurance. Everyone wins. Now, the good news here is that we are not starting from scratch. We don't have to invent a solution. There is a proven step-by-step program that's designed specifically to help communities like ours get ahead of the wildfire threat. It's called the FireWise USA program, and it's a big deal. It's run by the National Fire Protection Association, and right here at home, it is fully backed by CAL FIRE. So what is it really? You can think of it as a roadmap. It's a framework that gives us, the residents, a clear plan to work together and with the fire experts to figure out our specific risks and, more importantly, do something about them. And it's not complicated. Here's how it works. First, a few neighbors get together and form a committee. Then you work with the fire department to get a real risk assessment. After that, you create a simple action plan. And finally, you just track your community's volunteer hours toward that plan. It takes this huge, scary problem and breaks it down into totally manageable steps. And here's the best part. You are not in this alone. The whole point of this is partnership. We already have an incredible team in our corner. The City of Lake Elsinore, the Riverside County Fire Department, and CAL FIRE. They are all lined up and ready to help any neighborhood that's ready to step up. Okay, this is the bottom line for every single person watching. Why does this matter? Well, beyond the obvious, making our homes and families safer, becoming a certified FireWise community can actually lead to real discounts on your homeowner's insurance. That's a tangible benefit for everyone. Which brings us to the most critical part of this whole explainer: what you can do about all this, starting today. So where do you even begin? How do we kickstart this whole process to make our community safer and keep our insurance affordable? Well, it all starts with one simple action. It starts by showing up. This introductory meeting is literally the first item on the checklist. It's the first step toward protecting our neighborhood and ensuring we all have access to affordable insurance. So here's all the info you need. It's this Thursday, October 16th at 7 p.m. It's happening at the Tuscany Hills Clubhouse, and you're going to hear directly from CAL FIRE Battalion Chief Ryan Lubin himself. This is your chance to ask questions and get real answers. Look, don't wait until you're the one holding that cancellation letter. This is about your home, your insurance, and your community. This is our chance to be proactive. So the question is, will you be there? We'll see you this Thursday at 7.